Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check Android version of your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you would like to check what version of Android is being used in your phone, yes, you can easily check through the settings of your phone. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to about device, and here just click on version and you will see here Android version. Sorry, don't click on version, click on just Android version, and here you can see Android version is 14. Okay, so for seeing it clearly, just touch on the Android version several times, and with logo Android version is displaying on your screen. Yes, this is the Android version. Android 14 is used in my phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. So in this way you can easily check Android version of your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.